5, yeah. I didn't neglect you. Yo, look who's here. Gang. So, I'm sorry, guys. Banana gang. So, apologies for not broadcasting from our regular studio, ne? So, we are in a bigger studio now. There's coffee, then there's there.
I ain't doing nothing. I want to tell you something, lady.
It's our DJ today.
Big bullies, man.
Who's the date?
Like to come back. Yeah, maybe even Monday is still holiday. Tuesday, my past maybe is going back.
I'm going back.
On Tuesday.
And that one, the one with the big shit is from America. America one. This one, I don't know.
I knew it.